Hi, I'm here at the Geneva Motor Show 2018, and behind me I've got a really impressive car. So I've got the Audi RS5, which is brand new, which we saw at Frankfurt last year, but this one is a little bit better than the normal Audi RS5. This is the Abt RS5-R, and this is one of only 50 cars which are going to be produced like that in the world. It was only open for production, or ordering rather, in February 2018, and my guy at Abt has told me they've almost sold out already. The Abt kit on this car costs around £30,000, and when you bear in mind a standard RS5 Coupe is going to cost you around £65,000, like bog standard, then yeah, it's an expensive piece of kit, but definitely worth it. So under the bonnet, Abt have increased the brake horsepower from 444, which is pretty good, to 523 brake horsepower. It's got a top speed of 174 miles per hour and a 0 to 62 in 3.6 seconds, which is quicker than a Porsche 911 Carrera. That's super quick. So this was a look around the Audi RS5-R at the Geneva Motor Show 2018. Let us know what you think of this car. Do you like the colour firstly? Because that's the thing that stands out to me. I absolutely love it. Let us know in the comment section below what you think of this car. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.